Hi everyone, my name is Shakir, Sports Guy Show, and ladies and gentlemen, there is a very intense thunderstorm right now taking place outside. I'm recording this video in the safety of my home. So this is a very intense looking thunderstorm right now as I'm panning outside so everyone can see. It's raining literally like cats and dogs. Literally raining, and just saw a flash of lightning. You can see the wind is blowing. It's one of the trees in front of my yard. So I'm recording this from a safe location, a boat, as far as I go, and also as far as my camera goes. Which is why I'm not able to zoom in completely, but nonetheless, you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the rain. So I'm moving the camera a bit. You can definitely see the trees. That tree is definitely moving. This is an intense thunderstorm, but it's not a severe thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm criteria would be 58 miles per hour or quarter size L, or 58 miles per hour wind damage or quarter size L. So it's not a severe thunderstorm, but gosh, this is freaking incredible. Just saw a lightning taking place. So the lightnings and the thunder. This is a very intense looking thunderstorm. You can see the trees is moving. You can see the rain, intense rain. You can definitely hear the sound of the thunder and lightning. Of course, the sound of the lightning, and first you can see the flash of thunder. And here was another see if I can move the camera a bit. Now I am glad that this storm is taking place today and not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm supposed to have my yard cut, so I'd rather have the thunderstorm, the rain, a day before my yard's supposed to be cut and not the other way around. Because you don't want your yard to be cut and then a day later to have an intense thunderstorm and for your grass to grow like crazy. You really don't. Pretty sure you guys can see every rain falling. I'm sure some people might say, well, Shaked, why are you not moving the camera closer or stepping outside and all of that? And I completely understand that question, but at the same time, I have no intention of testing to see if my camera is waterproof or not. I'm presuming it's waterproof, but I'm not going to test it out. Plus, when it's thunderstorm outside, I mean, lightning, God forbid, can strike a camera, can strike you, can strike a camera, can strike anyone. So you definitely don't want to be outside during a thunderstorm, which is why I'm recording this video from a safe location where I have a clear vantage point of what is going on, and at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, at the same time, I'm not at risk. I'm far away from any windows or door. You can see and this rain, guys, is very intense. You know, I just saw another flash of lightning, which we're going to have a thunder, and pretty sure in a second. There it was. Good thing about this rain, it's definitely bringing a colder, nice sea breeze wind inside, because I have the door open and the rain, so it's definitely dropping the temperature down. Because let me tell you guys, it's supposed to be very hot in here in Charlotte the next couple of days. Very hot. Like temperature in the 90s, it's an heat index closer to 100, definitely miserable type of weather. So when you have thunderstorm, it's very blessing, and you're grateful for it, as long as no one is hurt. Can definitely feel the wind blowing. You can even see straight ahead, that tree blowing. But here's the interesting thing, guys. This is like thunderstorm right now. And typically during a thunderstorm you expect the sky to be very dark and to be very dark outside. But if you look outside, actually it's very bright. You can almost see the sun, like, so I can point, but I cannot point, but because the camera is not looking at me, it's looking outside. But basically, where the camera is looking at, straight ahead, it's very bright. It's very bright. almost like the sun is coming out. Even though it's raining, even though it's thunderstorm, which, guys, this is very unusual. Typically in a thunderstorm situation, you will have very dark sky, and plenty of thunder and lightning and hail and so on. But not in this case. It's thunderstorm, it's raining. You can see it's intense, but honestly, realistically, it's not bad. But just as I said that, I just saw 2 flashes of lightning. Hopefully you guys saw it. Hopefully everyone saw it. That was intense thunder. So yeah, this is a thunderstorm happening in Charlotte, North Carolina. My name is Shaked, Sports Guy Show. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, everyone.